everyone, Heather here from BMW of Bridgewater, and I'm gonna show you how to close your trunk while sitting in the driver's seat. So now that I'm in the driver's seat, you're gonna locate your trunk button and you're gonna hold the trunk button up, and your trunk will close, but you have to hold the toggle up the whole time. And it's just that easy. So simply locate your trunk button, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it down. And you have to continuously hold it down the whole entire time